stop wasting money. These 4 kitchen items heal your skin fast. You're spending a fortune on skincare, and your skin still doesn't look the way you want it to. What if I told you that the solution isn't in a $60 serum, but in your kitchen right now? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover 4 natural ingredients that can heal, hydrate, and transform your skin faster than you think. And number 3, it's used in ancient medicine, but almost nobody uses it the right way today. Let's start with a classic, aloe vera. But I'm not talking about the bright green gel you find on drugstore shelves, loaded with alcohol, artificial color, and synthetic fragrance. I mean pure aloe vera, straight from the leaf, or 100% organic gel with no fillers. Why is it so powerful? Because aloe vera is packed with skin-loving nutrients, vitamins A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants that repair and protect. It also contains enzymes that reduce inflammation, help fade acne scars, and restore your skin's natural barrier. Got a sunburn? Razor bumps? Dry, irritated patches? Aloe is nature's instant remedy. It cools the skin, reduces redness, and speeds up healing, without clogging pores or causing breakouts. So, how do you use it? Slice open a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the clear gel inside, and apply it to clean skin. Use it as a quick 15-minute calming mask, or leave it on overnight for deep hydration and skin repair while you sleep. It's simple, effective, and incredibly soothing, especially in hot or dry climates. Still with me? Because the next remedy doesn't just heal your skin, it rebuilds it. Part 2. Turmeric and honey, the ancient glow duo. This one's a game changer, and it comes straight from ancient Ayurvedic tradition. Turmeric and raw honey. Separately, they're incredible, but together, they form a skin-transforming powerhouse that's been used for centuries to promote clear, glowing, healthy skin. Turmeric is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps calm redness, reduce acne, and boost circulation to give your skin that natural, lit-from-within glow. Raw honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant. That means it draws moisture deep into your skin while gently killing acne-causing bacteria and soothing irritation. But here's the trick. Most people overdo it with the turmeric. Use too much, and you'll end up with a bright yellow face. All you need is a pinch, less than 1/4 teaspoon, mixed with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Apply this golden blend as a face mask and leave it on for just 10 to 15 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation. That's the healing magic at work. Rinse it off gently with warm water, and you'll feel the softness instantly. Part 3. Green tea, the antioxidant toner. Now this one might surprise you. Green tea. You've probably sipped it before, maybe even daily. But have you ever thought about spraying it on your face? Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental stress, reduce redness, tighten pores, and fight the free radicals that cause premature aging. Think of it as a youth potion disguised as your favorite calming drink. Here's how to make your own green tea toner at home. Steep 1 green tea bag in hot water for about 5 minutes, just like you would if you were making a cup to drink. Then let it cool completely. Pour it into a clean spray bottle and store it in the fridge. Use it daily, after cleansing and before moisturizing, as a natural toner. Just spritz your face and let it absorb. It's especially refreshing in the summer, helping to cool, calm, and tighten the skin. And here's the best part. Some dermatologists say green tea's antioxidant power rivals that of high-end serums. But you're making it for under $1. Natural, affordable, and powerful. And finally, coconut oil. Now wait, this one's a little controversial. Some people say it clogs pores, others absolutely swear by it. So what's the truth? Here's the deal. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you might want to skip this one, or patch test first. But if your skin is dry, flaky, or irritated, especially during the colder months, coconut oil can be a total lifesaver. This rich oil is loaded with nourishing fatty acids, lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties, and vitamin E. It deeply moisturizes, soothes inflammation, and helps heal dry patches, eczema, and even minor cuts or wounds. How to use it? Take just a tiny amount, warm it between your fingers, and gently press it into your skin as the final step of your nighttime routine. It melts in beautifully and seals in hydration while you sleep. It also works wonders on dry elbows, cracked lips, cuticles, and even under the eyes. Bonus tip? It removes makeup better than many store-bought removers, without stinging or drying out your skin. Simple, nourishing, effective. That's the healthy nature way. Okay, real talk. Fancy skincare products often replicate what nature already gives us. But now, you know the truth. You have 4 powerful remedies, all sitting in your kitchen. Aloe vera to soothe, turmeric and honey to heal, green tea to protect, coconut oil to nourish. Use them with consistency, and your skin will thank you. Glowing skin doesn't come from magic. It comes from nature and a little patience. For even better results, drink more water and cut down on sugar. Skincare isn't just what you put on your face, it's what you put in your body too. If you loved this video, hit that like button. It really helps me grow. Comment below which remedy you're going to try first, or share your own natural skincare secret. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Nature for more natural health tips every week. See you in the next one. And remember, nature knows best.